Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make Mexican rice. In case you guys want to know how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for this recipe we're going to need 2 cups of white rice, 3 Roma tomatoes, a quarter of red bell pepper, a quarter of a white onion, 1 garlic clove, 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and all of our spices that I will link in the description box. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. So we're going to begin by making our tomato broth. So in a blender, we're going to blend our tomatoes, our piece of onion, garlic clove, bell pepper, tomato bouillon, chicken bouillon, cumin, and salt. And to that, we're going to add 2 cups of water. So now we're going to blend until everything is nice and smooth. Okay, so once we have our tomato broth, now we are ready to cook. Okay, so we should have 4 cups of broth. We need 4 cups of water for 2 cups of rice. So now we're going to grab our frying pan. We're going to set it on medium-high heat, and we're going to add our oil. So we're just going to wait for the oil to heat up. Okay, so before cooking your rice, make sure that you rinse it and make sure that it is completely dry before frying. Okay, so once our oil is hot, we're going to throw in our rice. And we're going to fry it until it's nice and golden. So that should be about 5 minutes. And make sure that you're moving it constantly. Okay, so after 5 minutes, this is what our rice should look like. It should be nice and golden. So at this point, we're going to add our tomato broth. So mix it. Now, if you want to add vegetables, right now is the time that you're going to add them as well. So just mix it and try your broth for salt and see if you want to add any more. For me, it's perfect. So now we're just going to wait for it to simmer. And it shouldn't take long. So as soon as you see it simmer, we're going to reduce the heat to the lowest setting and we're going to cover it. And now we're just going to let it cook for 25 minutes. Do not open the lid and move your rice around. Okay guys, so after 25 minutes, our rice should be done. So we're going to turn it off. We're going to open it. And we're going to move our rice around a little bit. And I'm just going to even it out. We're going to close it and let it rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. Alrighty guys, so after 10 minutes, we are now ready to enjoy our delicious Mexican rice. You can serve it with your favorite dishes or of course, just enjoy it like that by itself. Alrighty guys, and just like that, we have our delicious Mexican rice. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that after you watch this video, your rice is going to be perfect every single time. It's nice, fluffy, it's not mushy, it's just perfect. So hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. It's super flavorful, seriously, the best. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how I make my delicious Mexican rice. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.